Welcome to Dad Does, as we try to shoot out our camera lens with the new Air Hogs Hover Assault. Now check this out, very cool. It is a car, it is a plane, it fires. This is going to be hot for the holiday season. We are looking at the Air Hogs Hover Assault, and as you can see, it's got wheels, it's got a propeller, and it fires missiles. Let's take a closer look. So here's what you get with the Air Hogs Hover Assault. You of course get the Hover Assault vehicle, which as we showed has 4 wheels, can fire 4 missiles. And what it can do is it can drive, we're obviously going to show you this, and then it can hop, and then most importantly it can fly and fire. The remote control, very standard issue Air Hogs remote control. You've got 2 levers on it, on top 2 buttons. One allows you to hop and fly and the other allows you to fire your missiles. Has a charging port on it so that you can plug in and charge it. Takes about 30 minutes to charge up, get about 10 minutes of fly time out of that. But let's get to what you want to see. Let's see this Air Hogs Hover Assault in action. Alright, that's a quick look at the Air Hogs Hover Assault RC vehicle. A lot of fun, a great toy. Can shoot the missiles, kids will love that. The fact that you can drive it, fly it, hop it. But we want to show you in the background here, we're going to show you some crashes. It does take some work, as these crashes show. Everybody has crashes. You do need to trim it right. Got to spend some time trimming it. Take some patience, probably for 10 years and up. Is an advanced helicopter, and you want to do it indoors. The good news is, as you see these crashes in the background, we never broke the thing. So very sturdy, very stable, had a lot of crashes, no problems, no breakage to it. But as we also showed in the videos, we got some real nice solid flights out of it. Come on over to daddoes.com. We'll have a full review, all the information on the Air Hogs Hover Assault over on the site.